Hey guys, let's check out this Dewalt 20 volt handheld cordless vacuum cleaner that we use pretty often around the house. My fiance uses it in the garage to clean up the workshop. We use it in our vehicles as well. It's battery operated and very easy to maneuver. I'm a really big fan of this product. Just using it around the house is so handy. It's a little bit heavy, but definitely nothing to complain about. It does have a removable piece here that you can use for getting into corners. It's angled and pretty stretchy, so it's really handy for that kind of thing. This vacuum is not the best for picking up hair off the carpet, so if that's what you're looking for, it's probably not your best choice. There's a little button you can press to see the battery life. You can buy this product in an option that includes the battery and charger. We already had some, so we just chose the option without the battery. Super easy to pop in and out.
Okay, so I emptied out the bottom of one of my cereal boxes so that I could show you this bad boy suck up some real life crumbs.